All right, here you go. He's not supposed to be on the couch, but he is anyway, so. Okay, so I just got out of the store and I got some stuff from the store and stuff. And yeah, I'm excited to eat it because I'm hella hungry now. And hopefully I'll get that bacon stuff from Dunkin' Donuts because I really want to get that. And yeah. What I just found. Oh, there he goes. Bye, buddy. Look at him. He's so cute. So as I was saying, Duke is gonna probably lick me. I think he's tired.
Yeah, you should leave him alone.
Aww. She's watching Victoria's.
You don't have to record it.
Stop.
Stop.
That's Duke. Finally look at the camera. Okay. Face. Look. You see the camera? You see it? Isn't it beautiful? You have such a beautiful face. Oh, he's attentive because the door just opened. Say hi. Say hello. So Duke and I are gonna try to dance. Duke, look at the camera. Duke, look at the camera. Look at the camera. Look. Look, you see it? Look at the camera. Look at the okay, I know. He's biting at it right now. I know. Duke, look at the camera. Look over here. So now Duke and I are going on, not a walk, but we're going to a dog park. And Duke is very excited because the garage is open out there. And he's just really excited. He's a little scared too because he doesn't like it when the people walk by the house. But that's him. Duke, look at the camera. No, you don't want to look at the camera? So all three of my sisters are going, which is great. I didn't really want them to go, but they're going, which, yeah, I don't know. So yeah.
Up. We're trying to go. Come on. Dude, in the crate. We gotta go. No.
I think he's scared. So we ran into this. Duke is still being walked, but we ran into this. Lots of water down below. It's pretty cool. They are fishing. People are doing anything and everything here. It's gonna be many background photo for my. Yeah. Duke over here, I don't know what he's doing. And we have long shadows. Very long shadows. People are doing yoga over there. I don't know what they're doing. But overall, this place is gorgeous. And then he's walking Duke. Yeah. So these are pieces of the Twin Towers. It's another piece. Feels really rough. It sounds like this. And my sisters are reading it over there. Okay. And Duke just looks.
Yeah, but those are pieces.
I don't know. I'm wearing my mask, so my voice sounds so weird, but yeah. There's got lights and everything. Clouds look fake. Yeah. This is. I don't know what this is, but it looks pretty cool. It's got a nice light. The sun. Duke's still walking. And yeah. I think there's a bird in here. Hiding in the bushes. I'm sure Duke knows where it is. I don't know. Found a squirrel in a tree. And I just thought these were myths. Squirrels actually do live in holes in trees. Nice. Found it. Oh. There's a fox. There's an actual real life fox. So there's the deer. It has antlers, but I can't really... Yep, there it is. It's so cool. I'm not sure if you can see it from this beautiful view, but there are a ton of birds flying everywhere. Actually, they're all over here. Yep, there they are. I think I found a bunny. It's literally right there. I'm trying to see if I can walk up to it without scaring it. I can't. It has antlers. It's a little bit. Look at it. I think it might run away. Wow. There's a bunny over here and a chipmunk over here. Yep. Yep. Guys, you won't believe what I just found. There's like 3 of them. Yep, there's 3 little birds in here. They're so cute. Let's just snap a photo. Look at them. You guys are born for the camera. Sure, they'll fly out soon. One day they'll grow up. Well, there are photos of seniors on this school for class of 2020, as you can see here. There's also a man all the way over there who got a flat. I feel bad for leaving him alone, but he told me thank you, which means I guess I gotta leave, so yeah. I gotta go FaceTime my friend. What I found, They kind of peed on me a little bit, but it's okay. So I'm watching a new TV show, and Duke has found a new interest in his bed. He likes to use it like a chew toy and dig it. I don't know what he's doing at this point. What, Duke? Why? What? Yeah, but he's just pulling at it. So I found this cat over here, and it was just snuggling on me for a little bit, and I tried walking away, but I think it wants to follow me, as you can see. Did not know cats could do that. Hello. See, it likes to rub up on me like this. I'm not sure if it belongs to this family over here, or if it's feral. Look over here. Can you look over here? No? I'm sure you're wild and rabid and... you really like me for some reason, huh? You want to come home with me? Do you want to come home with me? I'm sure Duke would scare you, though. The cat is following me. It's pretty far away, but it's still following me. And our new shed is getting built by some guy. And they're still talking about the coronavirus. Oh, there he is.
Karen Lee, News 12, New Jersey.
Something about the coronavirus, I don't know. But anyways, Duke, say hi. Duke, say hi. Duke, come here. Come here. Want to say hi? No? Okay. He doesn't want to say hi, so it's okay. Recording from his home. That is dedication. I don't know how he managed to do this, but he's recording from his home about Ocean City, New Jersey. Because this is News 12, New Jersey, because I'm from New Jersey, so yeah. So I'm watching the Joker movie. I just paused it, and Duke is out. Look at him, he's out. He's been snoring a little bit. He's out.